Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show how to propagate Dieffenbachia plant and its care. It is commonly called Dieffenbachia or dump can or mother-in-law's tongue plant. It is a very poisonous plant which can causes temporarily inability to speak, and it belongs to Araceae family. This is a very low maintenance house plant. This plant mainly grow as a indoor plant. The interesting point of this plant, it is a very tolerant to the low light condition and it is easy to grow. Don't need any special care of this plant. Just maintain this watering of this plant. When soil is dry, then water it. And this plant love well drained soil media. First of all, we make some soil mixing. The ratio of the soil mixing is 60% garden soil and 40% fine sand. Don't need any type of compost. Mix it well. We take a pot or polythene bag. Fill it with potting mix. After that, we cut any mature Dieffenbachia stem like this. New growth start from here. We cut into the small two pieces like this. Now I planted these two cuttings like this. Just we planted this growth portion into the upper side like this and fill it with potting mix. Similarly, this cutting we planted into the polythene bag like this and fill it with potting mix. And after that we give some water. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.